Hello guys, we are playing Rubik's Cube which Dad is holding, and also here's my peach card I was talking about in the last video. Cool, right? Can we let that look? As you can see, it's not flickable wheels, but there's a wheel right here.
Here's the mic.
And also, since we have so many subscribers, I would like to say that I'm very surprised.
Yeah.
Because I thought they had 30 or either 40 subscribers.
But you have 1,000.
Yeah, but has a lower one on TikTok.
Okay. So I'm gonna shuffle this one and watch, because while I'm shuffling, it will be back into place.
What?
Let's do the blue one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
What?
Back into
Let
place.
me show you something.
Can you do it? Okay.
Up,
Okay.
left,
No.
down.
You're doing like. Do it again. Go down. Okay. Where's the left? Here. Here's the left, right?
Oh, this is like where we were.
Okay.
Up, left, down, right.
Okay.
Up, left, down, right.
Okay.
Up,
Okay.
left, down, right.
Right.
Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right.
One more.
Up,
Yeah.
left, down, right.
Good. You get it?
Keep on doing it, right?
Just do the up, left, down, right.
Yeah, that's all. Or you
Or
can either start from the other side. It's that way around, right?
yes, you can also use the left side of it. Okay, let me teach you.
My hair is itchy.
Sorry. Let me teach you one thing that I do when I give you when I make a puzzle for you. So the one that I'm doing is that I just turn the upper and the lower twice. That means we have red and white. Okay. And then we turn it around like this. We will do the same. Turn the upper portion twice, lower portion twice,
Cross tie.
and let's go back to the other one.
Can I do it?
Wait. Let's turn this 1, 2,
Can I do the other?
and 1, 2. Okay, show them.
Oh, ha, ha.
Looks good. Oh, don't drop it. Looks good, right?
It's a little sideways.
Let's show them. Okay. Looks good, right?
Yeah, but the harder one is the one with two complete sides.
Yes. As you can see, it has two colors on each side. We have the blue,
I'll show you how
blue
to
and-
solve it.
the blue and green. Okay, let's mix this further
No!
because there are only two colors on each side. So let's make 3 colors on each side by doing this. One turn, then on the other side, one turn, and one turn. And then we will meet the other colors together and the other colors together. That's why we got 3 colors on each side. We have blue, green, and white. Here we have yellow, white, and orange. Okay. Blue, blue, green, and yellow. Okay, that's perfect. Oh, can you solve it?
Yes, I
Okay, try
can.
it.
I did this 1 million times, bro.
A million times.
Yeah,
It's impossible.
I did that 1 million times a day.
That's all overacting.
Yeah, I did that 1 million times a day.
Well, that's overstatement, I should say.
I almost forgot.
What's happening? Oh, you're making a dotted I,
Yeah, you make the dotted I first.
and then how will you solve it?
Then we're gonna do it the same way as you always do.
Make a
Snore. Hmm?
big eye.
Where is it?
Don't know. What did you do? Okay,
Oh, wait.
you're going back.
This is.
You have to go back to the dotted eye, I guess. Show them. Okay, we're back to the dotted eye. And then how
I
will you
made
solve
a
it?
little mistakey there.
Just make a big eye. Show them. Show them. So that the kids can learn also from you.
Which side? Oh,
Okay, you got a big eye, the blue one, and then
wait.
what's next?
Let me. Right there.
You have to get a small eye using the color that's with the blue, which is the red. Show them off. And then we got to put together the colors, and that's it. It is easy. Don't throw. You keep throwing it. It's annoying. Well, she's good at it, but she can solve a more difficult one. That's for adults, right?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Are you crazy?
What are you doing with your hair?
Are you crazy? Like this little boy in a video was Larry Sullivan, the super hard one, and he literally did it so fast. It's insane.
Because they are trained. They've been doing it not a million times.
1,000 million trillion
1,000
times.
They've been training for more than a year, maybe.
And how is that little child so insane?
Well, just have to remove the cover, Mom. Okay. So what's the next one?
So now that we're gonna challenge ourselves now.
With what?
Any color you land on, you have to find that color.
Fine.
Yeah, you have to find the color. Like for example, if I land red, I have to look for something red. Like your t-shirt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like that. You just put your hand on the colored
Okay.
thing. Now, put it
We're
here.
going to. Oh, you just throw it this way.
Orange, look for orange.
Orange?
Yeah, look for orange.
Well, I think this is orange. Oh, not yellow.
I can see orange.
I can see orange there.
But you have to be close to it. I can see orange behind you.
Orange.
Correct. My turn. Blue. Blue.
You got blue. You're so fast. 1, 2, 3. Orange again. Oh.
Behind you, remember?
And put orange.
Now you have to search for something.
There, but I don't need to go there. As long as I found it.
No, you have to touch it too.
Another orange.
Good job. White,
Okay,
white,
white.
white.
Well, this is white.
Well, even though the wall is white too.
Okay. Next.
You got
Green.
green.
Yeah. Green.
Good job. White again. White
Okay.
on the table.
What are the other colors? Where are the other colors? Where are the other colors?
Blue.
Blue. Not again. This one blue.
Oh, you didn't get my T-shirt.
Okay.
Red.
Red.
Blue.
Blue. I got you. Okay, your turn. Blue. Again.
Oh my god, it's so easy. If you're wearing it, it's easy.
It's
Open my...
orange. Look. Orange.
Very good. You're just guessing the flowers.
Okay, yellow.
Yellow!
My teeth is yellow.
No, but this
Okay,
thing is yellow.
you're the winner. So
No, one more time. Blue,
Blue.
blue. I want to land red.
Red. I test red. Okay, good.
So, guys,
Let's sleep.
no.
What's
Let's.
the next one?
Okay. Now that
We have
we
to
did
close the video because it's been too long.
Okay.
And you still have to review. So tell them.
Well,
They will get bored if it's too long. Okay, that's it. Pansit. Ay. Oh, what will you tell them?
so, guys, please like this video and
Share.
subscribe.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
What is so